Hi, my name is Peter, and I have one question for you. Did you know that you are in sales all the time? Find out why, and I will explain you how to get rich doing it. Today we will speak about storytelling. The seller's ability to tell an interesting and engaging story where his product or service is involved increases his chances to sell. Each of us likes to listen to interesting stories from life. One way to describe the benefits of your product or service is to tell a story in which your product helped you or someone else. It is also important to realize that the more senses we involve in this story, the more interesting it will be, and your customer will be able to imagine your whole story more vividly. So when we know that we use sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing, let's try to incorporate these senses into our stories. An example, for instance, if you are talking about chocolate, be sure to mention in the story how fantastic this chocolate smelled, that it was such a captivating scent that your head spun, and that the combination of sweet and aroma of freshly roasted cocoa beans literally brought you to your knees. And then you tasted the chocolate, when the chocolate slowly began to dissolve on your tongue, and you enjoyed it to the fullest. The taste combined with the aroma was completely electrifying, and you forgot about everything around you, and you fully enjoyed this moment. If your story is interesting enough and you tell it as if it were happening right now, and your customer can imagine it, you will arouse in him a desire to buy your product. In this case, he will have a great desire for chocolate and will probably start salivating in his mouth. What story you come up with is up to you. It can be from life, something you've experienced, something you've heard, or you can make up the whole story. It doesn't matter. The only important thing is to involve different senses in your story. And the more you involve them, the more interesting your story will be, and the more customers will be able to imagine it. Your goal is to evoke a desire for what you are selling. Sounding words. In order for you to be able to tailor your story and the entire presentation even better to the needs of your customer, you should use the so-called sounding words. And what are they like? A little different for each customer. If you are faced with a customer who is most interested in the quality of the product, then the sounding words for him will be reliable, quality, durable, of the highest quality. For a customer who is looking for something unique, the sounding words will be unique, exceptional, exclusive, or not for everyone. We need to think about what type of customer is standing in front of us and what the best words are for him. Many times this customer uses them quite often. So all you need to do is copy his vocabulary and the words he uses. Using sounding words and telling stories is important because you will be able to impress the customer's emotional side. It should be noted that most decisions, especially when buying, are emotional. Many times people do not shop on the basis of logic and reasonable decisions, but mainly on the basis of emotions. So the seller who realizes this will try to impress especially the emotional side of the customer. And this is also the key to a successful sale. Let me know if you are in sales and check out my new book, You Are in Sales, So Get Rich Doing It on Amazon. You find the link in description. Leave me a comment and hit the like button if you want to know more. Subscribe for the channel for more videos to come. Thank you.